Alright traders, I'm recording a video because I just saw a decent high probability setup, so I entered and figured out a way to record it. We have a downtrend working lower, we have a lowest low of this push down. I have to follow the trend line rule. We have a new low, first entry short, pull back, second entry short. So this is the two-legged pullback. I'm going to visually draw it so it's easier to see. Market moves in pairs of twos. So you have two legs up. I'm scalping 8 contracts for 2 points because ATR is really low. So no big targets right now. We're bottoming zero, but we need to take through. Top loss goes one thing about the signal bar and my runner at these lows. So we're still holding the trade, but we should hopefully scalp soon. A few more ticks. The downtrend needs to get new extreme according to trendline rule. As you can see, I'm following the bearish bias. Two legs up. It's also combined with the triple test. The triple test is quite hidden. It's something like here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, push up, push up, push up. So I have small key level, second entry short. Okay, we got the scalp, so I'm gonna tighten my stop loss to break even because this is just a bonus position in case we're gonna catch major push down. So once again, a second entry short, triple test. Also, it was a kind of like a breakout pullback to this key level right here, to this small trend range. This was not super healthy established range, but it looks like a trend range. So we have a breakout, pullback, key level was tested, broad two legs. These two legs are super broad, so it is indicating, okay, there is no wider uptrend. Correction played out with the break new high, so everything aligned. And this is what I'm looking for. I was patient throughout this area. I basically didn't take any setup here. You can make a case for this one right here. Visual felt like an entry long, but this is just too choppy, too sideways. As a price action trader, I want to make my job as simple as possible. So I'm just sitting on my hands, not really rushing into setups. And then I have nice trend down, established, two legs up, the pattern. We are at multiple key entry points, great second entry short signal bar, push to a new extreme, perfect trend line rule. Now I'm just gonna hope we can just get some run. I'm gonna tighten it close because this is a range day. We have some loaded day, so we can bounce here. I'm probably gonna take some runner, not gonna be too greedy because we are at the loaded day of the big range. I'm actually going to place my runner like this in case we're gonna bounce off the loaded day key level. So I'm gonna lock in at least something. The bars are really small, so this is not significant runner, but we're gonna at least cover something with the one contract and leave one contract at the bottom, and we see what gets hit first. Right traders, and our runner just got hit. So great high probability setup at the key entry point when everything aligns. Hope this trade example was educational and helpful. Good luck your trading.